Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can animate on click in Canva. So let us get started. So guys, you may apply this, for example, to any presentation you create on Canva, be it for single elements like single text boxes or any other elements in your presentation, or even to multiple elements. Let me show you how to do that, for example, and apply an animation on click for multiple elements, like for example these two text boxes here on that page of that presentation. So what you want to do is head over to your presentation and left click into the first element you would like to apply the animation for. After that, press and hold left shift on your keyboard and left click into the second element to bulk select both of them. But don't group them, guys, just select them the way I showed you. And what you want to do next is apply the animation. To do that, click on Animate here at the top. That is going to open up that menu here on the left. So here you may simply go through that menu here and select your preferred animation, like for example this one here, or that one, or you may go through these here and pick any one you like. So let me go for a simple fade effect or fade in animation like this. Left click on it, and that is going to apply the given animation to all selected elements. But you want to also, guys, customize it, and for instance make sure that this feature at the top is selected, appear on click, of course, that you can, for instance, trigger the animation in your presentation or slideshow by clicking on it. So that's the first option. And the second option, guys, would be also to customize your element order so that they don't get animated at the same time when you click on your slideshow, but in a specific order. To do that, click on click order below and simply select the order of your elements so that you, for instance, click for the first time on your slideshow, the first element will be animated, and after that the second one, and so on and so forth, depending on how many elements your animation features. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. As you can see, it is super simple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.